Hello everyone, this is 𝒐𝒏𝒕 speaking. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing fine and you're passing your day very well. And today I'm going to discuss with you a wonderful topic, that is article, and this is my day 2. You maybe know that is I have taken a decision, that is I would like to make 30 or 3 month videos. Actually every day I try to make video with new topic, and this is my actually plan and my challenge with myself, that is I want to improve my English speaking level. If you think that I'm a teacher, not actually correct it, because I'm an English speaking learner. Here I'm just trying to evaluate myself, I'm not teaching you. If you're beginner, you can think that yeah, I'm help you here through this video, but I'm not teaching you. I'm not teacher, I have no ability to teach you, because I'm also a student and I'm also a learner. Okay, so if you're a beginner, if you watch this video, I think you will be benefited two way. One is, if you are a beginner, definitely you need to listening. Okay, so through this video you can listening practice, and it is your benefited one. And second thing, through this video you can learn some grammatical topic. Okay, so now in this video I'm going to discuss with you article. In grammatically it called determiner. Okay, so come to the board. Here I actually try to cover up one slide on the board. Just look at the board. So article, already I mentioned here, the article sometimes is called determiner. Okay, so what is the article? And okay, maybe I forget to tell you one thing, that is this is my day 2. It is very actually related to my previous video. My previous video was actually alphabet and letters, and here I discuss with you vowels, consonant, and it is actually um, today's topic. Okay, so now come to the board. So article, actually we know article, two kinds of article we have in grammar. One is indefinite article, that is a and an, and this is actually basically used for singular countable noun. And another is definite article, that is the, sometimes we call it the. Okay, this is actually very specific, and that is used for unique things, and also it use something actually already mentioned in the conversation or in the story. Okay, so I will try to explain all the things step by step. Just look at the board and look at me and try to follow up my speaking. Okay, if I make mistake, if you know better than me, you can give me some guideline in the comment box. I'll be helpful. Okay, so now move to the topic, that is when we want to solve any article, we have to know the letters, that is alphabet, that is actually vowel and consonant. So we have the 5 vowels, actually 5 vowels and 21 consonant. Okay, so vowel, why vowel is most important? Because vowel and vowel sound, actually article always depends on vowel sound. Okay, so vowel and vowel sound, it help us to find out where we have to use n, and if the sound is consonant, so always everywhere we have to use a. Okay, so what is the meaning of noun? Actually article, I forget to tell you why article use. Article mainly use just for noun. Article use before, in front of noun. Okay, so what is the meaning of noun? Noun is name. It can be actually things. It can be an animal name. Also, it can be a place. Okay, so I have written some word on the board, and if you know grammar, you have to fulfill in the gap before me. Okay, so now I'm again tell you, that is indefinite article means a and an, which is used just for singular countable noun. Okay, So now the first word comes B, and it is, we can see that the book word start actually begin with the B letter. So B, we know that B is consonant, because we know that vowel actually A, E, I, O, U. The 5 letter actually vowel, and the rest of the word is consonant. So B consonant letter, also the B sound also consonant, and it also singular countable. And before and in front of book word, we have to put A, because it demand A or N, and at the beginning a word B, that's why we have to put A. Okay, so next word comes, that is park. So park means, it actually I already mentioned, the place where we go, we spend our leisure time, and we actually spend our important time with our partner actually. So it is a place, and it, this letter start with the letter of P. So P, we know that it's a consonant, so we have to put in front of the word, that's A, and the next letter comes elephant. Elephant, this is actually animal name. So the first letter we can see E. So we know that E actually vowel. So we have to put in front of the element word, that is N. So I hope that you understand very well. So now the next letter comes doctor. So doctor, it actually name, or any, it actually refer any person. So doctor, so this word start with the letter B, sorry, D. So D, we know that it's a consonant, so we have to put in front of word doctor a doctor. Okay, so next comes the city. So C, it city letters, actually city word start with the letter of C. So C, we know that it's a consonant, so we have to put A. So here I have given you some example, and now move to the next part. And this is actually very confusing. Some people and some students, they get confused where they use A and where they use N, because the both word start with the letter of U. So let's here actually we need to know the vowel sound, and without knowing vowel sound we cannot solve this gap. Okay, so now come to the topic, that is umbrella. Umbrella, so when we pronounce it umbrella, so a sound, so we know that a sound is vowel sound, so we have to put in front of umbrella N, because we know that when vowel sound comes we have to take N. Okay, so now university, when I pronounce the university U, the sound is U. That is actually not vowel sound. Definitely we have to use a, a university. And the next one, that is orange. So orange, when I pronounce orange, so now the sound is O, which is actually vowel sound, so we have to put N. Okay, so now the next one is one. When I pronounce one, the sound comes wa. So wa is consonant sound, so we have to use A. This is actually important. Some people sometimes it comes in our exam, because one-eyed person, this example is rarely used. Okay, so now next one, that is umbrella, sorry, honorable and hour. Okay, so when I pronounce honorable and hour, definitely the sound comes O. O is vowel sound, that's why we have to use N. And another is when we try to pronounce holy or heavy, actually the sound comes ho. So definitely we have to use, actually ho is consonant sound, so we have to use a holy day, a heavy bag. Okay, so now this is actually very important part now we are going to discuss. Okay, so the actually this is, it can use everywhere. It can use in front of singular, it can use in front of plural, it can use uncountable things. Okay, the first example I would like to give you, that is book. Book is singular, countable. So and sound is consonant. Actually it begins with the letter of B, which is consonant, so we have to use a. And books, we know that it's plural. So also we know that when actually the plural noun comes, we have to use the. Okay, water, we know this, what is uncountable noun, so we can use in front of uncountable noun, that is the. So the water of the pond is very clean, the water of the river is very clean, we can say. Okay, so now comes the unique object. Okay, it is very important. The always used for something specific, uh, and unique things always specific. Okay, so now the comes earth, the earth, that is specific, the stars, that is specific, the sky, that is specific, and the Holy Quran, that is also specific, the Holy Gita, the Holy Bible. So and the south, we when try to direction somewhere, so the south, the north, the east, the west, we can use the. Okay, the final letter comes actually, and the word comes sun. Sun is the, in front of the sun we have to use the, because sun is unique. Okay, so I hope that you got some idea what is article and where we have to use a, and we have to use an, and we have to use the. So I'm giving you the uh, reminder, that is article actually two types, that is indefinite and another is definite. Indefinite always used for non-specific, and that is uh, first time we can we when we something describe, the first time we have to use a or an. And the actually it use everywhere, and that is already mentioned in the conversation or any story. And something when comes the unique, we have to use the. Okay, take care, bye bye.